Today, we're going to show you quarantine. This is a unique and patented feature of the Beachhead subscriptions model. Quite simply, quarantine allows an administrator through a secure web-based console to deny access to a device even if it's been authenticated. And if the company feels as though they, again, have control of the hardware, they can literally, through a secure web-based console, grant access to that data again through a push of a button. And John's going to show us just how that's done.
Sure, let's do it. After logging into the system, this is what the administrators will see. On this screen here, we have a listing of computers in the organization that is shown in alphabetical order. Here we have 4 Windows computers, 1 Windows computer with a self-encrypting drive, which is also noted by this green disk drive icon, and we have a MacBook installed to the account. On this screen, the administrator has a variety of information at their disposal. In addition to the computer name, the administrator can see what version of operating system is installed, how many user accounts have been provisioned certificates, if the systems are on time checking in with the server or if they're late, and they can also see the risk associated with the computers. Green check marks mean that the systems are good to go. If there was a red exclamation mark or a red X, that would indicate that the administrator should investigate further. We could also drill down on a specific device to get more information, such as encryption policies, evidence of any security actions that have occurred, and much more. But for purposes of this demo, I'd like to show you just how easy it is to quarantine the data. Here you can see Cam opening a file, this one being an Excel file with personally identifiable financial information.
And here we see the file opening without any issues. This is exactly as I would expect. Again, encryption is essentially disabled the moment the computer is authenticated.
Here we go. I simply select the device and mark it as lost.
Okay, let's attempt to open that same file again. Here we are. Double click. And this time, I'm told figuratively, not so fast. This file, because there's no local encryption key, is not available to me, nor any of the other sensitive data files.
So let's say we find out that there really wasn't a threat, and you're not such a bad guy after all, Cam. Or maybe perhaps the organization has recovered their hardware. I simply select the machine again and change the status to found. The user is now again granted access to the files. What's really happening here is that we first destroyed the encryption key, making it impossible to decrypt the data. Now we're restoring the certificate escrowed with the server to again make it possible to access the files.
And here we go again. This time I'm going to open the same file once more. And in this instance, now that the access is restored, I should be able to open the file without any problem. And I am. No smoke and mirrors, all of this done through internet communications real time.